Yvette's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make you a very delicious drink. It's oats with Guinness and a blend of spices, okay? So I'm going to pour my oats, then I'm going to pour my Guinness, then I'm going to sweeten condensed milk, evaporated milk, some vanilla, nutmeg, and cinnamon. Okay, so I'm gonna blend it. Okay, so this is my delicious oat with Guinness and a blend of spice. Okay, so I'm gonna have a taste. Wow, this is delicious and refreshing as well. So subscribe to my YouTube channel, Yvette's Kitchen. Live, love, laugh.